This is Renault Scenic 2008. The blower motor stopped working, so I replaced resistor. So to do this, you need to come to the driver's side. This is a right-hand side car. So come to the driver's side, pull up this panel, look up to your right. Then you will see the resistor. You see the wires going into the resistor there. There is if you look on towards your left on the resistor, there is T15 knot that is there. So you use the torque T15, then loose that bolt, then pull it out with the wire. Then you can now come to the passenger side. Come to the passenger side, drop all the glove box, and then the motor is the red and the black wire. As you can see on my hand here, there's a red and the black wire there. So that's what you're gonna remove that wire, and then you pull it towards the driver's side. And this is how the resistor looks like. You can see this is the resistor that I removed, the bad one. This is the resistor. This is the resistor, and this is how it is with the wire. You can see it down here on the camera properly. This is the resistor. So you're gonna this end here goes to the motor, and then you pull it out. So this is how to replace this the resistor. I hope this video helps someone. Thank you. Bye.